Hi guys. So guys, today I'm going outside. Look at what I'm wearing at. How did you look it? No, I have big tummy, so I have to cover it. Just take a look. So this is what I'm wearing at today, guys. So I have two shoes. I don't even know the one I will wear, but the two is black. So I need you guys to choose for me. But let me choose one myself. So I have this two shoes. I have this. I have this. But my man is telling me go for this one. So I want to go for this one, not this one. Maybe I will try the two. The one I like, I will wear it. At it here. Today is Sunday, guys. So let us go. So this is the shirt I'm wearing. So as a mother that has big tummy, this is kind of shirt you need to wear. As a mother that has big tummy, just take a look. How do you reason it? How do you reason this dress? As a mother that has big tummy, this is what you want. Everything is obluku. Okay, guys, see the shoe. This is the shoe I choose for it. So I choose this shoe. So I don't even test the second one. I just wear this one, I like it. So I take this. So as for me, I don't like makeup, guys. Makeup, I don't like it. So let me put a pencil. It's not that I don't like makeup. I don't like doing it. To do it is very, very... I have one certain time that I bought makeup things. I don't even use them. I don't even know where I dropped them. Even the spray. Every time I bought them, I don't use anyone. So I will comb my hair. I know. This is how I carry my hair. I like carrying no cuts. So very soon I will cut this hair also. Beautiful woman. If you don't find, you don't find. Even if without no makeup, you go find. Without no makeup, that your beauty will come outside, guys. Without no makeup, that your beauty will come outside. Don't find, my dear. Make I praise myself, even if you are not praise me. Even if you are not praise me, make I praise myself. I too fine. Don't worry. Don't worry, you're not more. It's time to go, guys. Ciao, ciao. See you on my next video. See you on my next video.